Do you guys have a closet that looks like this? Face it, somewhere in our house there is a crazy closet that needs some help. Keep watching to see how we make this clutter-filled closet beautiful again. Hey there guys, I'm Cassidy and welcome back to our Remodelaholic channel. It's January, so everyone everywhere is organizing, am I right? After the clutter-filled December, we're all sick of all the mess and it's time to get the houses clean. At least it is for me. Tell me below in the comments if you are cleaning something up and what you're cleaning. I'd love to hear about it. Our fabulous contributor, Crystal from the Weathered Fox, decided that 2018 was the year she was gonna conquer the clutter in her linen closet. And she is here to show you how she did that. No judgments, folks. This is real life. You know how it goes. Things get put in the closet just for a minute, the door shuts, and you never look at it again. Especially when you're remodeling all the time like we are, it just happens. Things get messy, but Crystal is here to whip it back into shape. In Crystal's house, this closet holds all the linens, extra cleaning supplies, and bathroom necessities, so it's really important that it functions. Additionally, it has the access to the attic, so this space must work well. Just like with any organizing project, Crystal started by emptying the closet. This helps to get rid of things that didn't need to be there in the first place, but also take inventory of what needs to be there so you can better organize it. Then she removed all the shelves and spackled all the holes. While the spackle was drying, the shelves got a fresh coat of trim and cabinetry paint with a paint sprayer. Shelves are a good place to splurge on a more expensive paint that will hold up to the wear and tear better. Crystal used some leftover paint for the rest of the closet. This gorgeous soft gray is called Chime Gray, and it is from the Magnolia Home paint line by Joanna Gaines. Has anyone else tried JoJo's paint? Tell me in the comments below what you've tried and which color, and if you love it. I think the color that Crystal chose looks great in her closet. The whole closet got a couple coats of paint, including the attic access panel. A bit of paint makes it practically disappear. That's some good painting teamwork for Crystal and her husband Brian. You know what they say, the couple that paints together gets paint in their hair together, or something like that. Next, it was time to put the shelves back in. Crystal really wanted to fit the vacuum in the closet, so they only replaced the back half of the shelves, and the vacuum fits perfectly now. I feel like vacuums are always weird to find a spot for, which is silly because everybody needs a vacuum. So where do you store yours? Is it in the front entry closet? Is it in your linen closet? Let me know in the comments below. As Crystal replaced the things in the closet, making things organized and movable was a huge priority, so nearly everything got a box or a basket, and of course, a tag. Labels are so important in keeping things organized in a shared family space like this. Crystal printed hers, then cut them out and tied them onto each basket or box. And then each got a designated spot on the shelf. Check out the links in the description for more details about where Crystal got all the baskets and boxes, plus the link to get her printable labels. To finish it off, the piece de la resistance is the awesome shelf for the back of the door. Just look at everything it holds. It keeps the broom from falling out of the closet, plus holds all the cleaning supplies with plenty of room to spare, and it fits an iron. That's another thing that's sometimes hard to find a spot for. This door organizer is so easy to install. Just hang it over the door, hang the shelves, and add your stuff. The hook for the broom is brilliant. Just look at everything Crystal fit in this closet, so neatly organized. And plenty of toilet paper because we all know that is the #1 thing you do not want to run out of. I know that I have at least 2, maybe more closets in my house that need this kind of organization. How many do you have? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please give Crystal a thumbs up for her great job in organizing her closet and for her willingness to show us how crazy it was in the beginning, because we all have closets like that and it makes us feel better about ourselves. So thank you, Crystal. Be sure to check out her rustic wall organizing baskets that she created in another video, and we have an awesome organized pantry tutorial right here that still makes my heart happy. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.